Today we've got some incredible news from the world of astronomy that's sure to blow your mind. Astronomers have discovered a rare and exciting Earth-like exoplanet located 40 light-years away, which might be a bit warmer than our own planet. Named Gliese 12b, this potentially habitable planet orbits its host star every 12.8 days. It's similar in size to Venus, just slightly smaller than Earth, with an estimated surface temperature of 42 degrees, 107 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than most of the 5,000-plus exoplanets confirmed so far. However, this temperature estimate assumes there's no atmosphere. Determining whether it has one is the next crucial step in assessing its habitability. Gliese 12b could have an atmosphere similar to Earth, or it might have a Venus-like atmosphere, turning it into a scorching hellhole with temperatures around 400 degrees, 750 feet by doof. It could also have no atmosphere at all, or something entirely different from anything in our solar system. Finding out is vital, because it will reveal if Gliese 12b can maintain temperatures suitable for liquid water and potentially life. It could also help us understand why Earth and Venus evolved so differently. Gliese 12b isn't the first Earth-like exoplanet discovered, but as NASA says, only a few worlds like it warrant a closer look. It's been called the closest transiting temperate Earth-sized world found to date, and is a potential target for further study by the James Webb Space Telescope. Our closest and probably most famous Earth-like exoplanet is Proxima Centauri b, just 4 light-years away. But since it doesn't transit, we still have much to learn about its atmosphere and potential for hosting life. Most exoplanets are discovered using the transit method, where a planet passes in front of its star from our viewpoint, causing a dip in the star's brightness. During the transit, the star's light passes through the exoplanet's atmosphere, if it has one, and some wavelengths get absorbed. Different gas molecules absorb different colors, providing a chemical fingerprint that telescopes like Webb can detect. Gliese 12b is particularly significant because the majority of stars in our Milky Way galaxy, cool stars, have the capacity to host temperate, habitable planets with atmospheres. It orbits a cool red dwarf star named Gliese 12 in the constellation Pisces, about 40 light-years from Earth. The host star is about 27% the mass of our Sun and has about 60% of our Sun's surface temperature. However, Gliese 12b's distance from its star is only about 7% of the distance between Earth and the Sun. Therefore, Gliese 12b receives about 1.6 times the energy Earth gets from the Sun and about 85% of what Venus experiences. This difference in solar radiation is crucial because it means the planet's surface temperature heavily depends on its atmospheric conditions. While Gliese 12b's estimated surface temperature is 42 degrees, 107 degrees Ralph, Earth's average surface temperature is 15 degrees, 59 degrees. The scientific value of Gliese 12b largely lies in understanding what kind of atmosphere it might have. Since it falls between Earth and Venus in terms of the light it receives from its star, it could fill a critical gap in our knowledge about planetary evolution and habitability pathways. Researchers, along with a team from Tokyo, used NASA's TESS, Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite, observations to aid their discovery. Although we don't yet know if it has an atmosphere, we think of it as an outer Venus, similar in size and star energy to our planetary neighbor in the solar system. A key factor in retaining an atmosphere is the activity level of its star. Red dwarfs tend to be magnetically active, causing frequent and intense X-ray flares. Since Gliese 12 doesn't show signs of such extreme behavior, there's hope that Gliese 12b's atmosphere might still be intact. At 40 light-years away, Gliese 12b is roughly the same distance from us as the TRAPPIST-1 system. TRAPPIST-1 has 7 planets orbiting a red dwarf star, all roughly Earth-sized and possibly rocky. 3 of these planets are in the habitable zone, but at least 2, and possibly all, lack atmospheres and are likely barren. Initial hopes of them being water worlds capable of hosting life dashed since their discovery 8 years ago.